Welcome to another video. My name is Nick and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And here in the Transparent FX Academy, every day I share new free education and analysis. So make sure that you subscribe and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about USDCAD. Now, why do I want to speak about USDCAD? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So as usual, I will be providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. Starting from the higher time frames, we will then go and see what we have from an order flow perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly, what do we see? First of all, here in the monthly, we can see how at the moment we are testing strong previous monthly resistance here, which has now turned support at this level after the market created this monthly close here above the zone. Now, if we want to see that level in an even more clear way, we have to just go down on a line chart. And on the line chart, we can clearly see how at the moment we're testing previous resistance turn support, and there is definitely the possibility to see the market reject this area to the upside. So here on the monthly, everything seems quite bullish. We drop down on the weekly time frame, and what do we see? Now here in the weekly, we can see a strong impulse, and at the moment we're getting the correction. Now in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, we have to take our Fibonacci on the impulse. And if we take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of this impulse, we can see how at the moment the market still has the possibility to go a little bit lower, to go down and test the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on this weekly impulse, which at the moment is lining up at this area, as you can see. So this is basically the zone that we expect the market to test and then to reject to the upside. So let's keep this box visible on lower time frames, and let's drop down on the daily time frame. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments any suggestions for new videos. Now, dropping here on the daily, what do we see? Now, on the daily time frame, we can see how this is exactly the zone that we were speaking about earlier on the weekly, which is a strong structure, support, and demand area that there is definitely a possibility for the market to reject to the upside. And what we can easily see here also on the daily time frame is that in testing this area, the market is also printing an M pattern. And in general, after the creation of an M pattern, what you want to see is the market create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern itself at the previous support turned resistance. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, we can see how lately on the CAD, net positions have been decreasing. We went from having 5.1k net positions down to having minus 14k net positions, with currently 7.8k shorts and only 7.8k shorts getting added and 3k longs getting closed, reaching 55k short positions and 41.2k longs. So shorts are getting added, longs are getting closed. We have more shorts than longs, and the CAD seems quite weak, which means that USDCAD could easily provide the rejection to the upside away from this area, as we had already identified from a technical perspective. So how we will be approaching this potential short-term longing opportunity here with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, only at that point we will be adding USDCAD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete the pattern at the previous support turned resistance here from a daily perspective. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you get a new daily market breakdown every day showing you how to apply the strategies in actual real market. And you also get your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.